Okay, if you are not using slots, you are missing out. I did not know what the gold coins were that we kept getting. So if you go to your daily tournament, for example, I'm not going to actually play, but when you play, well, these little gold coins pop up. Of course, it's not going to show here, but anyway, they come throughout the game. They're just little gold coins with dollar signs on them. I had no idea what they are. I'm going to go back to my map. So when you're in your map view, and you can get the sidebar up, and you've got your daily tournament down here, and then you've got slots. So if you go to slots, you've got all of these different slots to choose from. So here are the gold coins in the top left. And those are those gold coins with the dollar signs that we keep getting and I didn't know what they were for. But those come through gift center from your friends, and they also come throughout the game and in the tournament. So the higher you play, the more points you earn to level up. So I'm going to open up Jackpot Invasion, for example. And if you've got a 2-bet at the bottom and you have free spins, you'll see free spins here on the right. I don't have any free spins because I've already used them all, but you'll see free spins, and you can use all those free spins. And they do max out. So you need, I think they max out at 100. So you need to keep using them. And you can use those free spins and then earn even more of the gold credits. So I want you to watch the top left hand where it's got my level 159. So I am going to bet 2. And I'm going to spin. And you see that 2 XP just jumped up. So if I click on this 159, the top left, you'll see there's my level and what I need to level up. So you level up during the game, but you can also, if you're out of credits, or even if you're not, you can level up using these credits in slots. So I am going to auto spin on a higher number, 31. Or just I'm going to spin. Well, I didn't do that. I did it too fast. Let me spin again. That one was 2. Let me switch it to 6. And you see on the top left, it pops up 4 XP. The great thing about this is if you run out of coins and you're on a level that only needs 2 to start with on your minimum bet, they'll give you 100 coins indefinitely. Just forever and ever and ever. They'll just keep giving you 100 coins if you keep saying, yes, I'm out of coins. They'll just keep giving them to you. So if you've got the patience to do it, you can just keep on going and going and going. So I'm going to go to another game that's a little bigger, Piggy Heist. So I just want to spin in this game. And if you see at the top, you have these cards. They're just like our cards in the bingo slots. So once you earn all of those, then you can get more credits. So I'm going to spin. So you get these depending on what you hit in the game or in the slot game. So I just won, let's see, 76, what did we get? 151 gold credits and a new card. So it's going to go up to the top. I'm not going to spin again. I'm going to say no. And I'm going to just collect them. And so here I'm in this game. So this one is another one that you could do the free spins on. You can use, anywhere you can use your free gifts, you can also get free credits at the end. So if I run out, I'll get free credits. But I'm going to do 5 on this one. And I'm going to spin. Top left, I'm getting 5 credits for that. Some of these give you free coins, like bingo coins, to actually play the game. Some of them give you power-ups, sushi slots, tower heists. Those are the ones that do that. So some of these, once you get even more slot coins, if I had known the first time I did this, I would have played this differently. You want to play on the ones that have the highest return. So if I go back out of this one, and you go to this progressive pepper, which I've already won this one, but you can still play even if you've won. I can't play this because I don't have enough. Well, I guess I could, but I'm not gonna. But if you did the max bet on this one, that's 90,000 coins. up here on the left, when you're leveling up, it gives you 454 level up points. And I went up 2 levels in one day just playing this slot game, which of course going up levels gives you free credits, which is what we all need. So if you're not playing slots, you're wasting those slot things. And you can trade cards here. You know, if I have extra cards, I can give them to people, and I can request them from people. So if I wanted, I could request this. Of course, I'm out of requests for the day from other people, and that one's going to give me 340,083 credits to play, which means I could play this game, and even if you don't win on the game, you still get the level up points. It doesn't matter what your spin is. And then here, if you go out of this and go to another game, whoops, wrong game. I love puppies. We'll go to that one. Actually, let's go to one I can actually play. Let's go to Piggy Heist again. Yeah, Piggy Heist is what I want. So return to map. Go find Piggy Heist. Up here in the top right, there's a purple number 2. If you click on that, by playing the game, you earn points. So I'm going to spin. I'm going to get my 5 experience points to help me level up. And then that number 17.5, if I do it again, you'll watch that 17.5 goes up to 18.3. And so as you're playing the game, this number goes up and it will give you more coins. And it can keep going up to level 10. And then your maximum bet on these games will also go up, which allows you to win more. So, I mean, they're not complicated. Just hit the button and play. You don't have to understand how to play. Obviously, the more bets you, higher the bet, the more money you're going to make. But I try to save mine up. I play all my free ones as much as possible, and then I try to save mine up until I have a whole lot. And my goal is actually to get back and play this progressive pepper because it gives you, 450 experience points, which is way more than you get in playing a game. So anyway, that's a little bit about slots. I think if you play on the desktop, it shows up in the right-hand side, and you can do 2 things at once. But I'm on an iPhone, so I have to go over here. And if you're in a game, you cannot get there. So if I go to Holy Moly, and I go to my right sidebar, it's not going to show up here. But if I close that out and go back to map, then I can get to it. And playing your daily tournament gives you a lot of slot credits as well. So you want to play that as much as you can too. So I usually play all that first and, do my free gifts every day. And so this is the third one, these slots people are giving me. Try to get as much as I can, and then I'll play my own credits after my free credits. So there's a little bit about slots.